Now we are going to Mac computers. How to install WAGTAIL on a Mac computer? Download Python version 3.9.12 package installer for Mac from the official Python site. Then click the package file and follow the install instruction in pop-up windows that appears. On Mac computers, first we go to Finder, then create a home folder. Once our home folder is ready, right-click, then open the terminal in the current folder. We create a virtual environment the same as in Windows. Type Python-3-m venv virtual env / my WAGTAIL. Check my WAGTAIL virtual environment, go to the Lite folder. The contents are the same as in Windows before we install WAGTAIL. Activate the virtual environment by typing source space virtual env / my WAGTAIL /bin /activate. Then we create working folder my WAGTAIL at the same level as virtual env folder. Back to terminal, we go to the newly created working directory. Type cd my WAGTAIL. Now we will install WAGTAIL. Type pip install WAGTAIL. WAGTAIL already installed. If there are suggestions for upgrading the PIP, we can do it by typing Python-3 -m pip install -- upgrade pip. Next, we create our project folder called WAG project by typing WAGTAIL start WAG project space dot. WAGTAIL can't run before we migrate the database and create superuser for admin dashboard. Type Python-3 manage.py migrate. The tables for the database are ready. Next for the superuser. Type Python-3 manage.py create superuser. Enter a username. Then an email address that matches the email format in general. Enter a password. Password should be at least 8 characters long and not common. But for this tutorial purposes, I only enter 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a security warning. You can just answer Y, then enter. Superuser has been created. Now we can run our Django server. Type Python-3 manage.py run server. Copy the server address into the browser. Okay, WAGTAIL is running. We click on the admin interface, log in with username and password that we have created, and perfect. Now WAGTAIL is ready for us to use. In the next video, we will install WAGTAIL on shared hosting without terminal. Apart from installing, we will also discuss how to deploy a CMS project using WAGTAIL that we have created to shared hosting. See you in the next video.